Hey guys, how you doing? In this video we are going to learn how to start a CRUD project, actually how to do a CRUD operation, create, read, update and delete operation in our API. We are going to learn a little bit more about file structuring, and actually before all this I would like to introduce you a new software. Actually I found out about it, Table Plus, which could be used for viewing our actually database and things like that. Actually I've been using I've been using XAMPP, and actually I've been using this PHP my admin, which comes defaultly with XAMPP. But let's learn something else. Let's keep pushing forward, and let's do this. However, I've got this installed already, and installing is super easy. Just click next, that's all it. And actually that's all. You just get this installed, and this bad boy Table Plus supports too many SQL databases and some NoSQL databases, just like MongoDB, and actually probably if Cassandra is NoSQL, I don't remember it. However, we just need this for MySQL, which works pretty fine, and everything works fine for this. I already have some dude installed on it. Actually some connection active on this guy. However, I'm going to start a new connection. I'm going to name it Fast API Project 1, and I need to set the host to local host. Port is going to be 3306. As you saw here in our XAMPP, this is going to be 33 actually 06, and user is going to be root. Password, no password is required. Actually the name of the database is going to be, well, okay, let's find it out. Host page my admin, and let's check it out here. Just forgot the name for our database. Oh fuck, what the fuck. You are going to, okay, Fast API course 1, and that's all. Let's test it out. The connection is okay, and save it. Now if I double click on it, it has to open, and that's all we got. And we got a table already running, table already created with no entry, and everything is good. I can build up some rows for this guy, and that's all. Okay, let's go back to our project, and we are going to use this guy from now on to view our project and learn how we can work with it. But there is no difference. You can use any software that connects to your database and use it. There is no fucking difference. Everything is fine. Okay, let's get back to our project. Okay, let's set the font a little bit bigger so you can see this all clearly. Before actually we start, I would like to structure the files a little bit more. We are going to learn how to structure based on our need and based on our project structure. This is actually related to the young technology, and well, there is no specific and strict globally approved file structure is not available yet. However, if you found it out, please send it to me. I would be really happy. Now I would like to slice my routes based on their operation, based on their purpose, into multiple Python files, and actually then import these files into a single file and set them up. Okay, that's it. Now for this reason I'm going to start a new Python module, and I'm going to call this routes. However, this model should be models anyway, but there is not much difference. That's all on you. You just decide how to name this, and if you don't want to use these routes, we cannot do this. We can just declare all your routes in this base actually in this main file anyway. Now let's go and make some Python file, and I'm going to call this user. Okay, I would like to put all my user operations, actually all the things that I'm going to do with my user, the CRUD operations here. Okay, that's it. I would like to slice my routes based on their role, and you can do based on however you would like. Starting. Okay, in order to start our route, we have to actually declare an API route here, and I'm going to name it router equals API router, which will be imported from fast API. However, I'm using this bad boy called PyCharm, which does lots of these things on its own, and this is really good. I would truly love it. And now, just like the base application, actually the base fast API, I can say @router dot, and now I get all the methods and all the everything that is required here, and I can do this. Okay, going to say get, and now I can set the path here, and I would like to set a prefix here equals users, and in this point I would like to set get and get a user dash ID. That's it. Def get user and change to tab 9. Anyway, the fuck. And now actually one of my functions is set and it's ready to be used. Anyway, I'm going to set the type of this guy to an int. What the heck happened? Would like to set the type of this user ID to an int. So now how do I use this router in our main file? I'm going to just say app.include router, and where can I get that router from? I say router dot I believe this does not help me. This way I would like to from users import user, and from this user I will call the router, because we will have lots of routers and they will collide with each other, and that's it. So we got our router set up, and let's see, we got some other actually some other parameters in this API router which we could use, and not right now. Okay, so we got our get user set, and let's run our application. Okay, everything is set. Now we are going to use DAX. Okay, our route is set, and we can actually try it out. We got a 200 code return, and everything looks fine. Okay, I wanted to actually continue this video to make it a little bit longer, but let's make videos as short as possible and as limited as possible. And for this reason, we are going to try the create function in one video, we are going to try the update function in one video, and each one of these in one video to complete our CRUD operation. And after that, we are going to learn how to actually implement a JWT authentication system. Super simple. By the way, we got some conflicts between SQL model and main. The godfather here, actually the fast API, but things are, as much as I checked, are working totally properly, and things are really good. And in next video we are going to learn how to create a user, super simple, using our APIs and using SQL model. Goodbye to the next video.